This video tutorial I will explain how to install Grammarly desktop application in Windows operating system and how to use it. You can log into the Grammarly application using Facebook credential or Google credential, or you can sign up in the Grammarly. Click on this, and here sign up option is there. You have to provide your name, email address and password, or you can continue with Facebook credential or Google credential. I already created an account. Click on login. Provide email. Click on continue. Provide the password. It logged in. Click on new. In this place, you can type your title. Here you can type your content. And here I have written some note, and you can see some spelling mistakes are there, and grammar mistakes are there, and it is indicating. Click on this to correct it. So using Grammarly software, we can correct the spelling and correct the grammar mistakes. Click on My Grammarly, and here you can see the recently created note. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.